Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Leftover dressing. We also got some potatoes and some of that green bean casserole. Leftover cranberries. Some mayo, salt, pepper, and a nice bread. Mike Foster here. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and I know this post is a little after Thanksgiving, but you can have this for Christmas if you want. It's the classic leftover Thanksgiving sandwich. And it's as simple as make everyone else do all the work, take the leftovers, and make the sandwich. Check it out. All right, we got the bread. The secret to the classic is mayo. Put it on both sides, just like that. Now you get your turkey. Put a little there, put a little there. Is that enough? Maybe one more. Oh, that's beautiful. This is where it gets crazy. You put some of the cold leftover stuffing right there. And then you put some of this cranberry sauce right there. Little mayo right here so it sticks. Little salt. A little pepper. Studio Flipperoo. Oh yeah, it has to. Stuff has to fall out of it. Here's the press. Here's the sliceroo. Here's the reveal of the classic leftover Thanksgiving sandwich. There's a close-up. You can see that cranberry in there. Big bite coming up. All right, this is what you do after Thanksgiving. You take a bite like this. It's salty, it's sweet from the cranberry, it's tart from the cranberry, it's creamy from the mayo, and the turkey is beautiful. Oh, don't forget that stuffing, dressing, whatever you want to call it. It's all there. There's your classic sandwich. Check out my classic recipes. Check out all kinds of recipes and videos at Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, happy holidays. Peace.
Live life 365.
There's a lot to eat, huh? Sweet bamboo.